Mom got her one. Oh! It's a big one. Hey, what's up guys? Tobin here, 5M Family Farm and Outdoors channel. Got Reed with me. Got the infamous Christopher Scott back there untangling line already.
No, that's not true. Don't act like that.
Well, it's your son's line. It wasn't Max's line, not his. I didn't even get a chance to shoot my intro, so this is the intro. And show them what you got, Reed.
I got a Sanbass.
Got a Sandy. So, yeah. Hopefully we'll catch some more. Y'all come with us. Spot number 1 was a bust.
Which was spot last time. No. Which was spot number 2 last night where we got all the fish. But spot number 1 today was a bust.
Yeah, so the kids are all with, that's why it's so quiet in here. You see Chris back there behind us. They're all with him. So we're going up to try another spot. We'll see y'all there. Huh?
You can go outside.
I'm gonna strangle Easton.
Why?
Because
What's he doing?
he's just Easton. He's like Max. Before the day's over, one of the two are getting strangled.
Where are you going?
I'm coming in with you.
I'm not going in.
We're not going in.
Yeah, you need to sit down. You can go pee when we get there. This is for the girls.
Going in.
Give me a yee.
Yeah.
Easton, give me your yee. Max, hit that yee.
Yeah.
Max is scared to hit the yee. He don't even know how to yee. Spot number 2, everybody.
Chris is about to do a live stream.
Alright, Chris is about to do a live stream while I'm videoing. So technically, are we live if he's live? Or is it just a video?
Who grabs the minnows? You're about to step on the hook, dude.
That's where we're going, is right down in there.
Oh my gosh.
See what happens. Yeah, you gotta be careful.
Hey, Max.
Guys, we got to the new spot and ain't been here very long. We got a double. Right here. Easton's got one. Easton's got one. Hold on, set your drag. Hold on, set your drag. Hold on. Holy cow. Holy moly. That's a big old crappie, babe. Come here. Come here.
That is a huge crappie.
That's a big old crappie. Big old boy. Here, come hold the camera, babe. Look at it.
Please don't let me fall.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Woo! Yes!
Hey, you gotta skip.
Hold that.
Hold it.
Yes, we already know that's past 14. For real, yeah.
That's a big crappie. Want to hold him? If you can't let go of him, he's going to flop twice and be in the
How big is he? Is it big enough?
We got to get it. Look at that. That's Easton's.
Yeah. Wait, how long do they have to be?
10 inches. Easton got him another one. Got him a big old sunfish or something. There's no limit on them. You can keep it if you want to. We can. We can try. Good job, Easton. Good job, Mom.
I'm gonna throw it back.
Look at that. She's not only hot, but she can take fish off, bait a hook.
Mom.
She's a whole package.
I'm good for something.
What did you say? You have
Max has got one. There he is. Go easy. Don't horse him. Go easy.
Max got one.
Max got one.
Look at that, dude. Sit down and take it off.
Sit. There you go, Max. Good job.
Yeah. Hey, Max, grab him. Let's take him up here to the truck and we'll take care of him, okay?
Grab my pole.
Sarah's got one. Sarah's got one. That's a big one. I don't know what it is, but it's big. Big old sand bass. Good job, Sarah. That's a good one. What you got to say about that?
His
Name's Carl. Heck yeah.
See, Max is gone. I waited out there for.
These jokers are swallowing too.
Oh, I got a hook again.
There it is. Got it out. You gonna put him on the...
Wait, where is it?
I'm sure that one's 10 inches.
Have you shown them the stringer? Is it bad to drag them on the
Got a few.
Wait, are we gonna run out?
See how we got 2 on that one?
Yeah.
Grab it, put 2 on each one.
Oh, what if we had to put 3 on each one?
That's even better. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
She's hung up in a tree. He said he's tired of retying string, so he's in a tree right now, above the water, to save a lure. Confession time. Christopher Scott, how's it going?
It's going good. Yeah,
You lie really well.
I know. It would be going a lot better, but you know,
Sarah, grab this.
we have a little bit of an impatience problem over here.
Yeah. He caught one though earlier, right, Max? Yeah.
We're measuring him. He's a keeper. Look at how fine. Oh wait, hold up. Oh, okay. Look at how fine he is. Wow.
It's upside down.
I know, it won't
There,
come
you
over.
go.
Wow. I don't think I was recording.
Sarah caught another one. Is he long enough?
He's 11 and a half.
Oh yeah.
Look how beautiful he is.
He's pretty. We'll put him on
His
the...
name is tall.
Guys, our little highway spot is paying off. We've been cranking them in left and right. What's crazy is normally sand bass, we catch them on little jigs. We're having way better luck catching them on just minnows. Got a buddy that showed up just now. He caught one on the jig, but yeah, good stuff. They can't see us.
No. We're still here.
Yeah. This little spot, the service road's right behind us and the highway's in front of us. And there's been a lot of rubberneckers driving by this little service road trying to get in here on our spot.
We haven't had to beat anyone up yet.
And then run them off. But we've got a real good stringer full. We're gonna be doing a catch and cook, maybe on this video, if not soon. Hey, what are you goobers doing down there? Y'all cut anything? Huh? You liar. You catch one? So shut it. Look at that.
You see that?
That's my arm
It's a crappie. It's a crappie. Can't have a keeper of them.
It's good.
It's like 8 inches.
Mom got her one. Yeah, I put a big old minnow on that one. Mom got her another one. Hey Max. They are big.
Is that the ones that he got?
No, theirs are in there deal. Guys, our little spot next to the highway is paying off. We have been hammering them here. Lots of fun. Kids have been catching them. Mom's been catching them. Even my cousin Christopher Scott, the famous YouTuber over there, has caught a few. Good stuff. Easton caught him another one.
Dad, did you give the one that Preston showed you?
Easton, show it to me. Heck yeah, it's a good one.
That's keeper.
Best I've had this year. So, I mean, this is my first time out. I hadn't caught a fish with this rod yet until today. This is my brand. This brand.
That's a fancy one. Well, guys, we are back home. It was quite the day of fishing. I can't remember the last time we went fishing and caught that many fish. Mostly all sand bass. Here in Texas, that's what we call them, sand bass. So we're gonna get everything ready here in the shop and get those bad dudes cleaned. And we'll show you what they look like when we get done. Well guys, I don't know if you can hear, but it's starting to rain again. Seems like that's all it does here the last few weeks. It's been a great day. We very fortunate to get to go spend time with family, doing things that we love to do in a country like this. And I know people are falling on hard times. There's a lot of doom and gloom out there, but if you look hard enough, there's always something to be thankful for. Thank y'all for watching this video. Thank y'all very much for following along on our journey. Let's turn the camera around here and I'll show you how many fillets we got out of those fish. So that right there is our haul. That's enough for a couple decent fish fries or several small cooks just for me and the family. So really happy with all that. That's some good eating right there. Well guys, kids are in the house about to get ready to get in the bath and get ready for bed. It's been a great day. I just want to thank y'all very much for watching. Please, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and we'll see y'all again.